you're driving around with your buddies, and all of a sudden you turn on the fan and it starts to stink really bad. And you look at your friends and you're wondering, maybe he did it. Well, it's probably not them, it's you. It's about 15,000 miles and it's time to replace your cabin air filter. So this washable air filter from K&N is what we're gonna look at. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I'll be replacing my cabin air filter with the K&N washable cabin air filter. It says to breathe cleaner air. It's electrostatically charged to hold dirt and dust. Cleans and freshens the incoming air, helps control odors, helps capture most mold, mildew, fungus, spores, bacteria, germs, pollen, and allergens. And whenever you are cleaning this, there is a fresher kit that you guys have to buy, so the information will be down below in the description as well. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now we got some stickers, a little warning, don't discard the filter, K&N sticker. So this is also supposed to give you more horsepower right here, because you know, a K&N filter, right? Not, of course it doesn't. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm kind of disappointed at the quality here. It's not so good fit and finish here, but in general, I mean, it is just an air filter. You can see right through it. Now let's go ahead and show you how to replace the original air filter. All right, so you just open this up and you push down here on the sides. That'll open up your cabin and just, I guess, let everything fall out. So back here, you're gonna see is your Honda airflow, and it's got two little tabs on each side. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull on that, and this will open right up. And so you should be replacing your filter every 15,000 miles or so. So this one is coming right up, and it's actually not too bad. You know, I'd say this actually still has quite a bit of life in it. You know, you can't really see right through it. So, but I guess this one was a carbon filter, had like some charcoal or something inside there. So, but we're gonna go ahead and replace that with the new filter. Took that, dropped right in. Actually, yeah, it's really good in there. Alrighty, and just gonna put it right back in, and that is it. You don't need to go to no dealer to get this done. Just put it back in, everything fits and clicks right back in place, and then just pick up the mess that you've made, and you just saved yourself, I don't know, I think it's like 60 bucks to have this done at the dealership. You know, that's including install. So I mean, filter was, you know, 20 bucks or something like that. Actually no, this one right here is a little bit more expensive. These run like $15 to $20. So, but anyways, that's how you replace your cabin air filter so you can have better air. So hope that was helpful for some of you. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all the latest video releases. Thanks for watching.